About this my efficiency fast charger, Sunvsa 118W USB-C MacBook Pro charger has a high charging efficiency of up to 96%. Our USB-C charger can provide fast and stable energy inflow. The charger can fully charge the MacBook Pro 16-inch in about 1 hour 25 minutes. It can charges most of the mobile phones from 0% to 80% in 20 minutes. Wide compatibility. Our charger compatible with USB-C port MacBook Pro and MacBook Air 16, 15, 14, 13-inch, iPad Pro and Air 12.9, 11, 10.9-inch 2021/2020/2019/2018 and all USB-C device, laptops, and smartphones. Works with USB-C 29W, 30W, 61W, 67W, 87W, 96W PD model. Automatic identification and conversion of